Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a keyframe on the effects applied to your clips. So here, if you guys didn't know that we can add keyframes now on the effects we apply to the videos on CapCut. So here I'm going to just start by adding an effect. Let's say I want to add the diamond zoom effects to my clip. Click on the check icon, and in here, if you want to add a keyframe, you can just click on the effect. Then here there will be an options to add keyframe. You can just click on it and adjust the effect as you like, and then you can just move forward or go to the end of the clip, add another keyframe, then adjust it differently like this. Okay, so that's how you can add the keyframes in CapCut video effect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.